If we look at the run method of the runnable, we can see that the returning type is void. This means that it will return nothing. If we go to get all contacts method, we can't execute this in the background because at first the run will not return anything and I need to return a list of contacts object. And the second reason is that I need to publish contacts to get all contacts and publish it to the UI. So this will be executed in the background, and the add contact DAO.insert method will be executed on a separate thread and in the background. But this I need to be executed and publish the UI with the new contacts received from the database. So for that, I'll use the LiveData. LiveData is often used in both the repository and the DAO to facilitate the observation of database changes and to provide real-time updates to the UI. The first step is to go to the DAO and I need to update this list. I'll encapsulate this list inside the LiveData object of type list of contacts objects. Import the class of the LiveData. When you have methods that are annotated with a query, and you are going to display something using the select operator in SQL, always use the LiveData. By returning data as LiveData, the room library ensures that the data is observed by the repository or ViewModel, allowing for real-time updates when the underlying data changes. And if you have any trouble in the LiveData import from the lifecycle, you can import the dependency for it by using this LiveData implementation and the live or the ViewModel here. So I'll copy this implementation for the ViewModel and the LiveData. In the next video, we'll talk about ViewModel. So I can import it here. Latest versions of Android X, the lifecycle is included. So as you can see, I imported Android X.lifecycle.livedata without any problem and usage of this dependency. Also the LiveData, and I need to use the lifecycle version variable. Sync now, so I can use the ViewModel and the LiveData in my application. If I have any problem, just add the dependency. If we go to the repository, now I need to change the returning type of this method to LiveData object. This is the type of the LiveData, and this is the type of the list. In the repository, LiveData is typically used to expose data from the room database to the ViewModel and ultimately to the UI components, activities, or fragments. The repository interacts with the room database to retrieve data, and it wraps the data in a LiveData object before passing it to the ViewModel. By using the LiveData, the repository ensures that the data can be observed by the ViewModel and any changes in the underlying data are automatically reflected in the UI without the need for explicit updates. And one last step in the repository is to change this parameter. Pass an application, Alt+Enter, and here I need to initialize the contacts database. So contacts database equal to course or contacts database.get instance. And here I need to pass the context, which is the application in this case. And this contact DAO, this dot contact DAO equal to contact database.get contact DAO. This is how we initialize the database in the repository and how to initialize the DAO in the repository and execute the methods in the background threads